Global Indian International School, Nagpur, creativity now takes center stage. This is the beginning of a bold new chapter, the launch of the Nikon School of Creativity, an inspiring partnership between Global Schools Group and Nikon. As education evolves, so must the ways we nurture young minds.
So through the Nikon Youth program, there's a diverse opportunity the students can choose their future. Now, this was the master classes that we are working on. We are here to support you with curriculum, with lectures, with ideas, everything that you need. Teaching them about how to run Instagram, how to touch Facebook, how to do content creation, editing process. If you want your students to come and work with us in any ministry projects across MENA region, some of the students wants to grab that opportunities, why not? They can come and work with us as an intern and we can give them the internship letters. It's a fun activity, it's a learning activity, purely a skill building program just to enhance their expression in life.
In a world powered by mobile technology and digital storytelling, we saw an opportunity to empower students through the lens of a camera. 5 years ago, this vision began in Riyadh. Today, it comes alive in India, right here at GIIS Nagpur, with the first state-of-the-art photography and videography lab, and many more to come. Every child may not be a painter or poet, but every child has a story to tell. Through photos, through videos, through the moments they choose to capture. In collaboration with Nikon, our students now learn the art of visual storytelling, gaining hands-on training, discovering new tools, and building the confidence to express themselves creatively. Here, creativity isn't just taught, it's experienced, captured, and shared. Global Schools Nikon, empowering young minds, one frame at a time.